Hi, I'm Erik Linask, coming to you from the Los Angeles Convention Center here at IT Expo, day one of our 20th IT Expo event.
Congratulations, 20.
Thank you.
Very good.
It's a pretty exciting day. I'm here talking with InfoCision's Steve Brubaker. He's the Senior Vice President of Corporate Affairs at InfoCision. And yes, it is a big day for us. September 1st, also a pretty big day at the FTC, right?
It is. You know, lots happening today. I mean, we've got the fires burning a few miles away from the convention center here. I saw the smoke when I drove in, and in Washington, the fires are burning as well because the FTC has been working overtime trying to figure out how to shut down marketing, I think. But no, seriously, today was the day that the new regulations went into effect with respect to pre-recorded message calls. And you just can't do it anymore. You know, it's illegal to make a call with a pre-recorded message for sales unless you have written consent from the consumer. And we all know how hard that is to get. So it pretty much makes that impossible.
So what impact does that have on marketing?
Well, it's going to, I think, have an effect with respect to some types of prospecting calls. You know, for InfoCision and our company, we've basically told our clients, you know, really we think that in today's environment, the best way to reach out to your customer is to do that in an interactive, live environment. Consumers respond better when a live person is on the other end, a person who speaks their language clearly. We know that's important.
Sure.
So we've always benefited from that concept of personalized, one-to-one marketing.
Good. Now you're talking about some of the things that you're doing with your clients. It's certainly something that's impacted the entire industry is the economy. And I know there have been some new programs and initiatives that InfoCision has taken on with regards to how to handle that.
We have. You know, we've been very blessed in this tough economy. Our business is growing, as yours is. Congratulations.
Thank you. Likewise.
And we're happy about that, obviously, but we're doing some very unique things. We're focusing on multi-channel efforts for our clients. You know, we are obviously a call center company, but we're far more than that. We have a business intelligence team where we can really do a lot of data analytics and target the message to the right person. Personalized URLs are very important when we deal with one-to-one marketing. The opportunity to reach out in a direct variable printing mode to people and utilize that one-to-one approach from a print perspective as well as the phone, and how all of that comes together. And so we have really been able to expand our business in these times based upon the relationship we have with those customers.
So how does the multi-channel approach really, how does it overcome the economic impact?
Well, it's far more cost effective. You know, today, a one-size-fits-all approach is not going to work. And mass marketing, where we don't have a return on investment, is probably not the best way to go. So we've helped our clients to find a more targeted approach, where we know that we're reaching the right person with the right message at the right cost. And I think that makes sense.
No doubt about it. Does the market understand the multi-channel approach? Certainly they understand cost savings. Do they understand multi-channel?
Well, I think that's our job, to really reach out and explain those things and do the testing that needs to be done to show that it works. And, you know, we're always working on that and trying to do a better job for the client. Good.
I guess the one other thing that I wanted to touch on, or ask you to touch on, I guess, is the self-regulatory organization. We talked about a little bit about offline earlier.
Yes, the ATA, the American Teleservices Association, we're long-term members. Certainly Mr. Tarani has been key in the growth of that organization over the years. The self-regulatory organization, or SRO, has been a 4-year process of really working with the Federal Trade Commission and designing a program where we are able to produce an audit, an external audit of a company's processes to make sure we're complying with federal law, state law, and industry best practices. And we've just completed that process and received our seal of accreditation. So we're very proud of that at InfoCision.
Congratulations.
Only the second company in the industry to do that. And so we really think we're able to be a leader and set the stage for the industry. I think this is the way that things are going to go, and I think it gives us a competitive advantage as well.
That's exactly what I wanted to touch on. Then is how exactly does that help you win customers or expand your relationships with existing clients?
Well, when the FTC says if you make a mistake, it's $16,000 per call in violation, it becomes very serious business that you do things right, that you cross the T's and dot the I's. We all want to sleep well at night. Our clients certainly do. And we provide some peace of mind because we work very hard to do the job right for them so they don't have to worry about it.
Fantastic. And so far it looks like you're doing that job very well.
We work on it every day. We continue to. We have great people, 4,000 great people at InfoCision. That is why we're successful.
Excellent. We've been talking with Steve Brubaker from InfoCision, and certainly I encourage all of you to check out columns from Steve and his colleagues at InfoCision in each month Customer Interaction Solutions magazine. Also check it out online. Steve, thank you very much for joining us.
Good to see you.